Hi, this is to introduce BacklogZero, an agentic AI solution by Level Up, which is designed to take user requests and automate those fully within Red Hat Ansible within a matter of minutes. BacklogZero is here to help you eliminate your team tech debt, maximize the ROI of your ongoing investments in Red Hat Ansible, as well as just generally take your IT service requests and turn those into new, shiny AAP job templates in a matter of clicks. The problem space that Level Up is trying to address with this solution is that your ticket backlog is infrastructure automation waiting to be unleashed. But how do we get started? Your Helpdesk system is already filled with burning user requests, as well as internal team projects that just haven't been gotten around to yet. And BacklogZero is being provided as an LLM-driven solution, which can automatically review your ticket backlog and then propose Ansible playbooks. It can even refine them live and then commit to GitHub, next push to AAP, and finally test in dev and run in prod. And all of this, once again, can happen in just a matter of clicks. So we'll go ahead and take a look at a quick demo of BacklogZero now. In the first place, we can either look at work that's already been stashed that we've previously worked up with BacklogZero. We can also dig into a new playbook through Jira. We can open the Jira issue here. Wants to do it here, I'll move it over just for authentication. We can look at the backlog here. So this has gone ahead and it's defined because it's an LLM. It's for some reason thinking that this is Windows. And so I'm going to say a couple of things here. Number one, this is Linux, not Windows. LLMs. And we'll see how it interprets that. And it looks like it's already gotten smarter in the way that it's providing this playbook. So what we'll go ahead and do now is we'll push this to, this looks like it's going to come out as BL43. Go ahead and push this to GitHub. And then we'll take a look and see what GitHub has for us over there. So it looks like it just now did that push. And it did go ahead and put the exact playbook in that we wanted it to. And now if we like that in general, we can go ahead and push this into AAP as well. So I'll go ahead and show you a before and after of AAP and make sure that I'm fully logged in over here. We'll take a look at the default state with the templates that we have. So we don't have that number yet. And so we'll go ahead and see what happens when we push this over to AAP. So it's going ahead and doing a process. And then what will also happen in the course of this is that it will move, because of the automation that we've set it up, it will actually move this into the next state in Jira. So we'll go ahead and take a look over at AAP now and see, certainly we do actually have that new template, which was just created for 43 right now. So pretty exciting that we can do that all in just a matter of clicks. We don't even have to really get involved, but if we need to refine, as I showed, we are able to. Right now, this is a very streamlined interface, just a few sidebar blades that we would be working with, including user settings here, the service status in general, just very, very basic. But it does provide quite a bit of customization that we can do following this. And so with BacklogZero, to summarize, what you get is a local LLM large language model that is served by your own local inference. It does include retrieval augmented generation. And we can customize that quite heavily as well. It is secure. It will integrate with whatever your enterprise authentication, even SSO is. And it does seamlessly integrate with GitHub and Red Hat Ansible, for instance. Fully customizable UX and additional third-party integrations would be a part of any scoped project that we'd have. Just as with the other agent that we've already debuted, Q&A agent, this is not SaaS. This is not a subscription. It's not a license. This is a one-time flat fee project, no add-ons, no upsells. We can install and do install, generally speaking, in customer environments on your Podman, Docker, VM, bare metal, bring whatever you've got, and we'll support you on it. In this case, this is a web-based UI. We do think that's the most intuitive interface for a solution like this. And for our wonderful Red Hat Ansible customers, this is a way to help you get more value from your Red Hat Ansible subscription than ever. So we do hope that this will be a welcome addition to everything else that you're already doing with automation. Just to also step through this briefly, our recommended model plus inference combo if you're familiar with the terms that are involved here. We do recommend Mixtral by default for higher performance environments, and Mistral as a fallback. Red Hat AI Inference Server is fantastic, certainly enterprise grade, and something that we would generally recommend. To stress this point, this all stays 100% local. This is not about using public LLM APIs or anything else and just running up all kinds of charges just to get maybe a slightly better playbook in the end. We see people out there spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on code assistance, even daily. And we just don't think that that's a necessary or justifiable expense at all. This is something that's designed to be owned, not rented. And so we also do support other options as well. Again, this is really early days in a lot of ways when it comes to LLMs, when it comes to just the state of the art with artificial intelligence. And so some of these other options are available for customers that are more interested in those. BacklogZero generally available today. Lots of ways to reach out to us. Thanks so much for watching.